going shopping. It is bright as hell again. I'm wearing shorts from Primark, t-shirt from Uniqlo, bag from Kate Spade, shoes from Skechers. That's the fit. Vayu! Hello! We did half of the shopping last time and now we're gonna do half this time. And by half I mean we're gonna fill this luggage. Why are we taking a luggage? Okay, hell yeah, suitcase. We're gonna fill a suitcase. I don't know where mom. Oh, there she is. Yeah, she's just gonna post. She's not gonna say anything. A mannequin, if you will. Yeah. Oh, that's right there. People. Chole chawal, mango lassi, dahi, pea. We have reached the outlet. We're gonna buy clothes for me now. Last time we just got bags for me. Now we're gonna get clothes like shorts like these, and few college clothes, which I think would basically just be jeans, because I asked someone from my college and she was like, no, they want like smart formals, like casual formals, which I don't want, but okay, whatever. I'm dead tired. Honestly, I'm so tired. I don't wanna walk anymore. I haven't been walking for long anyways, but I'm thirsty. I don't like shopping. Oh, we're going to Dodds. For the next one, since I got a new phone, I'm gonna get my mic because it was Type-C. So now I'll be able to easily record with better sound quality, hopefully. And I'm just sitting at Dodds while everyone else is shopping. I don't know if you can see them. No, you can't see them. They're gone. But yeah, I'm gonna be here. Oh, Dad is here. Dad. Yeah. For Father's Day, he's getting us stuff. Love to see it. Anyways, yeah. Ice vanilla latte. It's not that sweet. I expected it to be much sweeter and I really wanted it. I wished for it to be sweeter because I just really I was craving something sweet. But if I want sweet, I can just like the vanilla syrup right in my mouth, which is too sweet, and then the coffee is too bitter right now for me. It's okay. He's mad at me because I'm not giving him coffee, which he's 4 years old. You're not supposed to give a 4-year-old coffee. You're too young for coffee. No coffee. So he's mad at me that I'm not giving him coffee because of that. It's okay. He can stay mad as much as he wants. Oh, he's not mad at me anymore. Huggy. Huggy. I post a story with Gucci, YSL and Furla bags in my hand, posing, and I'm gonna write like the caption, Father's Day going great. None of this is for me, this is for my dad, that's for my mom, and that's Nidhi's. None of them are mine, but I'm gonna pretend like they are. Social media is so fake. It's so funny. आपने आज क्या क्या किया?
ओरियोस खाए थे, फ्राइज खाए थे, फैंटा पी थी।
और अब क्या करोगे?
अब हम जाएंगे फूड
कोर्ट पे क्या खाओगे?
फ्राइज।
वापस फ्राइज? उफ चिल ब्रो, चिल, शांति।
अरे है और भी
नहीं है। Okay, mom, updates.
It was a good day till now. We have bought YSL, Burberry, Gucci. Let's see
क्या
what's next.
flexing? By God, shit. Anyways,
Look who is flexing.
I'm holding the bags. Okay, I'm not getting anything. I mean, not yet. दीदी, आप भी कुछ बताओ. आपने क्या लिया? क्या लेने का और प्लान है?
मैंने तो कुछ नहीं लिया,
अरे
कुछ लेने का प्लान नहीं है।
झूठ. आपने और भी लिया? कुछ तो लिया था.
नहीं तो
Liar.
झूठ.
She's a liar.
ऐसे नहीं भी झूठ बोलते. गलत बात. Papa got in trouble because he got a bag and he did not tell mom the price before getting it, and now they're arguing about it. And dad's like, I didn't see the price, I just bought it. This is how rich I want to be in my life. This is मैटर हो गया, लड़ाई हो गई, लफड़ा हो गया. I'm on return duty for this bag. I'm waiting in line and yippee. It was not that bad. I thought I would be more scared, but I was just yapping over there. I got a cookie from Raj Lauren. He's getting brownies. Brownie ले रहे हो? From Starbucks. And me personally, I don't really buy stuff from Starbucks, but he wants, and can't say no to the child right now. So it's okay. We're gonna have 2 brownies and then one more thing that he wants. I'm pretty sure it's a cake pop. Was right, he wanted the cake pop. He wants the pink, which is the birthday cake pop. I used to think it would be like very embarrassing talking to myself on camera, but it's really not. It's like 8 out of 10. Like -2 because it's sometimes scary and sometimes embarrassing, but otherwise it's perfectly fine. Successfully bought the brownies. Yeah. We've gotten the brownies and cake pop for him. Now we're waiting on it. I said not heated because garam khaoge brownie or normal?
Normal.
I knew it was gonna be normal, so it's 2 because Nidhi is also gonna have one. Mera peet, what is this? मेरे पेट को नहीं दबाना. No. This is not funny. We got the brownies and he has the cake pop. He's enjoying the cake pop. We're going to find parents now. I don't know. I think it's shopping time for me finally. Hopefully. Victoria's Secret थोक में चड्डियाँ ली हैं. Those are the clothes and that's अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि बेचने वाले हैं इंडिया जाके. सरोजनी नगर में बेचेंगे अभी. USA इंटरनेशनल माल. मज़ा आया. बहुत सारा मज़ा आ रहा है. I like shopping when it's for me. That's the perfumes and lotions, and that's the clothes that we're getting, and these 3 lip glosses. Two pairs of gym wear. Because I'm a gym girl.
She's gonna go to gym.
I am gonna go to gym girl. अभी कॉलेज के दोस्त बनाने हैं. कॉलेज के दोस्त बनाए हैं ना, उनके साथ जाऊंगी जिम डेली. जिम जाऊंगी, फिर उसके बाद मोमोज खाऊंगी. As you can see, everyone has at least one bag, and then there's me. I have the holy grail of all bags. So we're almost done with the shopping. Believe it or not, we still have quite a few things that we need to get again for me. So yeah, I think I really want to count the bags right now. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6, that's 7 8, oh fuck, 9. Oh, it fell. I think I give up. That's 9. And there's around 3 bags worth of stuff there. 10, 11, 12, and then 13, 14. I think there's like around 14 bags. I am dead tired of shopping. You see this? I'm tired. And I am so grateful to my parents and to God in general that I have the opportunity to be ekdam dead tired of something like this. I'm glad to have problems like this in my life now. I'm so happy, so grateful, like always. But when all is said and done, thak gayi hu main. I wanna go home and sleep now. I wanna sleep. Another successful day. I think again ending it here because I'm dead tired, and we're just gonna go home, eat dinner, and then unpack everything, which I don't think I'll have any chance to record there anyways. So that's it. It is a beautiful evening. It's 8:30, 8:25 to be exact, and heading home.
Hello.
We're going home. Bye.